Dora the Explorer, bringing back the book. Boots and I are going to a place where there is a lot to do, and we are bringing back a book. Do you know where we are going? Yeah, the library. Map says that to get to the library, we must go over the Singing Brook, cross the Troll Bridge, and bring the book back. Let's get going. We are looking for the Singing Brook, but there are two brooks. Which one is singing? We have to listen to find out. Should we be quiet or loud if we are listening? We did it! We were listening quietly, and we found the Singing Brook. But how can we get across without getting wet? Good thinking! The swinging vines! Now we need to cross the Troll Bridge. The grumpy old troll has a riddle for us.
What tells our story from the start to the end? You can read it by yourself or read it with a friend.
Do you know what it is? Yeah, the answer is a book. And look, even the grumpy old troll likes reading. We made it to the library, and I am returning my book. There is so much to do. Benny and Boots are listening to stories. Tico is reading a book all by himself. Do you know what I am going to do? I am picking out a new book. Happy reading! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And check out my Patreon page for some cool rewards. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your continued support. We'll see you all next time.